If you want to invite someone to be a contributor on your channel via an Android phone, or if your YouTube channel is changing to another email, you can follow the steps in this tutorial video. First of all, open youtube.com from a browser. Sign in using the email from the channel you have access to. After successfully logging in, change the browser view to desktop mode. To do this, touch the three dots at the top right, and then enable the desktop site section. After the display changes, enlarge the screen so that it can be seen clearly. Select the profile icon at the top right. After that, select YouTube Studio. So that it doesn't open to the YouTube application, I use the Open in New tab feature. Next, scroll down, select the gear icon. On the Settings menu, select Permissions. Because I've changed the permission settings to YouTube Studio, it will look like that. In order to fully change the license, restore access to the license using a brand account. Select Opt out of permission to return the settings to their default settings. Check the checkbox, then select Opt out to move it. Then select Manage Permissions. And then, select Manage Permissions again. Before you can invite another Gmail account, sometimes you are required to fill in the security code from your Android phone. This method is sometimes difficult. When making this tutorial, I tried several times to fill in the security code listed through Google's security settings. After successfully passing the security code verification, select Manage Permissions again. Next, select the Add Profile icon at the top right. Then enter the email address you want to invite. The next step, select the role of the account you want to invite. For the first invitation, I chose as the owner. If it is correct, select Invite. In the email that was invited, an invitation will be sent via Gmail. Just select Accept Invitation. If you look at the account that sent the invitation, in the Manage Permissions section, the email that was invited has been listed. And now, this Gmail account can be accessed on YouTube Studio. To make this invited account a primary owner, the account must have been an owner for at least 7 days. After that, we can only change channel ownership using the same method. That's how to invite or change an owner of the channel to another Google Mail via Android phone. Thanks for watching.